guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make road, right? So as you can see, the road is very bad. We are on the way. It's very near. My sister, my big sister, my mom. So we have to go upside. City is going to start. Our field is very up. Without road we can't go. Yes. So checking there, right? Right now we are going to make tea. Job now, because very hot outside. We really need fire. I am having tea. Too much storm. But those are things where they only finish and they went back. So now 3 of them we have to have how to call lunch or dinner. Morning we only eat food, but when we are doing work we have to eat again. Just at dinner. Rice, salad, rajma, smoked pork. Here is some boiled. I don't know. That we cook this pork in fire. You also try this tasty. I also I think from before.
Yaba. Mari 깜짝 씻어서 너무 낙사해 주기시. 네. 찌리 밥 나와도 실직장 지나 봐. 주디야서 먹으면 아주
I'll try to see how it is. Oh my god, see my plate.
So?
Salad, rajma, and this pork curry. Let me try one. Yes.
Definitely raining there.
But it's stopped. Very tasty in jungle. It's already evening now. You can see the white color right from 10:20 they start. But still here. I can long way to go. Yeah. Too much stone. See. So right now we are leaving this room. It's already 5:30. Okay, I'll end the vlog and see you next video. I'll continue next tomorrow. We have to come back. I think it will take 2-3 days to complete this road to reach my field.